Hi everyone, good morning. I figured I'll take you guys out for a walk here and do some walk and talk with Chester, as I'm just gonna take Chester out for a walk here. If you guys have seen, again, before I start here, I guess if you're new to this channel, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. Today's topic, really, I wanted to actually talk about, you being ready to do your first step, take the next step, which is to buy your first revenue property. So if you guys have seen my previous video, I was talking about the importance of buying your primary home as your nest egg, as your foundation, and getting into the real estate game. So anyways, so today's topic, I'm actually going to talk about how you would find capital or raise capital for your first real estate investment. Let's just say that you have followed my advice and you have purchased your own primary home, and you've been in it for many years, that you paid down your mortgage. That's number one way to actually find your capital in investing in your first rental property. You can pretty much just harness your equity, like I mentioned in a previous video, having to harness your equity and work with your bank, get the appraisal done, and pretty much just work with them to get you your line of credit, your home equity line. Oops, Chester, don't pull me too much. Come on, this way, please. Not there, please. This way. So if you get your line of credit set up with your bank, depending on how much you get, if you get enough for a 20% down, this guy just keeps pulling me here. So 20% down, you could pretty much have that fund to probably find a property that you could be using for your first rental property. And again, the most important part is that get your pre-approval process and see what sort of affordability you can have, and what can you afford based on your income, based on your current state financially. And then you basically find a property and work with a realtor that is savvy enough about an investor that can help you a lot, give you tips on being an investor, and find a property that can cash flow for you. And again, there's another topic that I can provide you in the long run. Chester, not again, please. Hold on a second, guys. I'm being pulled by my little puppy, or big puppy here. So anyways, if you can find a property that can cash flow for you, then if all the math is working, the numbers are working, then you'll be able to attain a property that can work for you. The key thing on this is that you have to have a property that can cash flow. And then that's another ball game, another topic that I can work with and work with you on that regard. So anyways, back to the topic here of finding ways to get capital or find capital. One way is to leverage your existing property and get pretty much your equity, utilize your equity in that regard. The other ways to do it is that leveraging other people's money, and that's going to be a bit of a tricky one, because you will truly require some sort of experience and track record to be able to see if I'm holding this thing right, be able to actually have a track record to prove them that you can do it. That's a little bit a different story here, guys. If you're just starting out, it'll be tough to truly get someone on board without any track record. So that's one way though of doing so. Of course, the other way is that getting a gift of some sort from a family member, a hand-me-down sort of thing. And if you come from a very rich family, then maybe you can get some help from the parents, and maybe put them in as a joint venture partner. And there's another way again of finding ways to get capital is through a joint venture partnership in a small scale, in a 50-50 joint venture partnership. Yeah, so those are the main ways to truly find some financing capital. And that again, but the best way, which are what I've done in the past, was, you know, paying down my primary home and having enough to actually take out for buying my first 3 or 4 properties around the 2005 time frame, 2004 2005 time frame. But again, everything's timing. Timing is a crucial thing in real estate, and that if you have the proper timing, the right timing, and you do your numbers right and everything cash flows, then those are the vital things in doing so going forward. Anyways, guys, what else can I say from the capital point of view? I just wanted to reiterate what I said from the previous video, where it's really important to have the right career, the right work, the right job, the employment to back you up, because without a solid career, a solid income, it will be hard to get approval, especially if you're getting into your second property, your third property, your fourth property, because at some point in time, around the third or fourth real estate property, the bank will stop pretty much financing you. The bank will say, hey, you're too thin now, you're too risky for us. So that's when you start venturing into the idea of probably bringing in partners that can qualify for you, or having a money partner where they provide you money in the process of down payment and also qualifying in the process. And adding them into the qualifying requirements could possibly help you in getting the approval process. So yeah, there's so many topics here that I can talk about, guys, going forward. Again, if you haven't seen some of the videos that I have and telling you guys my background on how I doubled, or how I ran into accidentally with the idea of investing in real estate, and how powerful investing is for your long-term wealth creation, please feel free to check my first video ever. And if you haven't seen that last video yet, where I'm pretty much reiterating how important it is to have your primary home. And in fact, before you provide any sort of a roof above anybody's head, you should be providing a property or a roof over your head first in your family, where you can build long-term memories, and build all that emotions that you can have as you have the right to do in a primary home, but yet don't apply any emotions and any real estate venture and from the investment point of view. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna keep this video short because I have to walk Chester here and pay attention on what this boy is doing. Such a beautiful day, as you can see, guys. This is our usual walk in a day-to-day basis, to get this boy out for a walk, because it's just healthy for him to be able to do so, and as well healthy for me. So anyways, guys, again, I hope that you support me in this video because I'm willing to share some of this knowledge. As I mentioned in my previous video, I've been doing this for 2 decades now. I've been investing in real estate for 2 decades, and that, I figured, I won't be able to purchase all the property out there. So I figured if I can help you guys in buying your first property or your multiple properties someday, why not? I could be of service then, right? So anyways, guys, again, I ask you from the bottom of my heart that you help me out and do your like, comment, and subscribe, and give me some support so I'll be able to get promoted with this algorithm thing, because starting out a YouTube channel is definitely hard, because I'm fighting the algorithm here and making sure they promote my videos. So anyways, guys, again, as always, Peace out. Look at them. Look here. Look here. Look here. Look here, Chester. Look at the woman. Look there. Baby, look. Chester, look here, boy. Look there. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. See, look.